In this video, we'll show you how to manage how you spend time on your Pixel phone using Digital Wellbeing. You can use the Digital Wellbeing tool in your Settings app to track how you use your phone, including how often you unlock it and how long you use each app. To find Digital Wellbeing, go to your home screen and swipe up to see all your apps. Open your Settings app. Scroll down to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. To get a chart of how you've been using your phone today, tap Dashboard. You can use the drop-down menu above the chart to check your screen time, notifications received, or times opened. You can also limit how much time you spend in an app each day. If you tap on the screen time chart and scroll down, you'll find a list of the apps you've been using. To limit screen time on a specific app, tap the timer icon next to the app and choose how much time you'll allow yourself to use that app. Another digital well-being feature is Bedtime Mode. It tints your screen in dim lighting and also switches to a grayscale display before your set bedtime so that sounds from calls or notifications don't disrupt you while you're resting. Bedtime Mode also turns on Do Not Disturb. To control your Bedtime Mode settings from Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, tap Bedtime Mode. You can set a bedtime schedule or set Bedtime Mode to only activate if the Pixel phone is charging. You can also turn Bedtime Mode off at any time. To change the times for Bedtime Mode, tap the Start Time on the left and drag the hand on the clock to the time you want Bedtime Mode to begin. Then tap OK. Do the same for the time you want Bedtime Mode to end. Now you know how to manage how you spend your time on your Pixel phone using Digital Wellbeing. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.